Welcome student. I am Abhilasha Singh. Today I will start the class 6 first chapter, that is the computational thinking. In this video we will cover the following topics. Here are the topics. What is the computational thinking? Components of computational thinking, analyzing, decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction, algorithm, applying reasoning to make decisions, importance of computational thinking. These are the 8 points which we will cover today. Let us start with our first topic, that is the computational thinking. Computational thinking is a thought process that teaches us how to solve complex real world problems in a such way that a human or a computer can effectively carry these out. It involves different ways to solve the problem, which involve logical reasoning, devising step-by-step solution, and designing system. Move to our next topic, that is the components of computational thinking. There are 5 key components of the computational thinking. First is the analyzing. Analysis is the process of understanding the problem and condition and defining the goals. Next is the decomposition. It breaking down a large number of problems into a smaller part which are easier to understand is called the decomposition. The smaller part can be examined closely and solved individually. Next is the pattern recognition. Observing patterns, trends, and similarities in the data is known as the pattern recognition. When you discover patterns, it becomes easier to make the prediction or create rule to solve the other problem. Abstraction is the process of filtering out details or components of the problem to focus on the relevant ones. Last is the algorithm design. In this process of developing a list of steps that we can follow to finish the task. Then let's talk about the analyzing. For explaining this topic, I am taking example of a boy whose name is Aryan. Aryan analyzes the problem well in advance when a lot of trees are being cut. He senses that the environment is getting polluted, so he need to plant more seedlings with the help of more person. So can you tell me what is the problem is here? The problem is the environment is getting polluted and the goal is to purifying the environment. Next is the decomposition. Decomposition makes the task more manageable. Here Aryan breaks the task in different parts to make the job more organized. He is taking the many steps. That is, first is the find donors for contributing to the expenses. Second, collect seedlings and seeds for various sources. Arrange for nursery bags or containers. Organize soil, composite or nurseries. Arrange for nursery bags or containers. Organize soil, composite or natural pesticides. Bagging of seeds or seedlings. Nurture the seedling until they are ready for the plantation with the aquatic water. Convincing colony people to plant the seedling around their home and nurture them. Next is the pattern recognition. Imagine that we want to make a drawing of different kind of bird, since all the birds share some common characteristic, like they have eyes, beaks, they wings, so we can quickly draw a bird which including these standard features. In computational thinking, these standard characteristics constituent patterns. Patterns existing among the different problems within the problems and within the individual issues. We need to look at different individual issues. Pattern make our task more manageable because they help us to make the prediction and use the same technique that have been proven to solve the similar problem in the past. Next is the abstraction. Abstraction focuses the essential features and avoid the unnecessary complexity. It always trying to delete all the unnecessary thing from your data and save all the necessary thing in your record. It also save your memory. The next is the algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step instruction written in simple language to perform a particular task. It involves analysis, decomposition, pattern recognition, abstraction together to design a solution. Applying reasoning to make the decision. Everyone make the decision in daily life. As we know that we are facing every day, we are facing the different type of the problem. Some of the problem will not take the time to decide on them. Some of the problem is complex. It needs our wisdom and experience to take decision. So now we are discussing here what are the importance of the computational thinking. First is the perseverance. Children learn not to give up and learn not to nervous by the complexity of the problem. Second, that is the debugging. Next is the debugging. In this process of trying various possible solutions and finding the most appropriate one, children learn to find and fix errors. The third is the creating. Children learn to think Children learn to think creatively and innovate more solutions. Fourth, experimenting. Children gain the courage to experiment and lose the fear of failure. Students, here are the assignment question for you to do from your home. If you brought the new book, then you have to do in your book. Otherwise, you can write down in a rough copy. First is that you do all the exercise of this chapter in your book. Second, write short notes on the following terms in your own word with example. First, abstraction, algorithm, pattern recognition. With this topic, I am closing this video with this topic. I hope you will understand each and every point. Bye and have a good day.